Good morning to all. We are going to continue some previous slide. Today we are also discuss about sorghum crops. Sorghum injury is one of the other important disease. Sorghum injury. Sorghum stubble for root have high CN ratio, that is 50:1, that is contain low amount of nitrogen. Hence microbes take the soil and for decomposition than from the decomposed stubble, which has temporary immobilization of soil nitrogen. Hence succeeding crop after sorghum is affected due to nitrogen in the early stage called sorghum injury. Then soil requirement of sorghum. Sorghum will yield best on deep, fertile, well-drained, loamy soil. However, it's quite tolerant of shallow soil and droughty conditions. Soils with clay loam or loamy texture having good water retention capacity are best suited for sorghum cultivation. Sorghum is sensitive to aluminum toxicity, and soils with acid saturation higher than 20% and pose a problem. It does it well in pH range of 6 to 8.5 as it tolerates considerable salinity and alkalinity. Sorghum climatic requirement. It is widely grown in temperate region and its altitude of up to 2003 meter in the tribes. It can be tolerate high temperature drought throughout its life cycle better than any other crop. Sorghum required about 26 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature for good growth. The minimum temperature for germination of sorghum seed is 7 to 10 degrees Celsius. It is generally grown between 14 degrees Celsius north, 14 degrees south of the equator in warm and hot countries characteristics of the semi-arid environment. It is one of the toughest and drought-tolerant crop available, hence called as camel crop. It is Sardeh C4 plant. It is also called as Sardeh C4 plant. This is the summer ploughing. Summer ploughing is advantage to kill the weed seeds and hibernating insects. It is very much useful for summer ploughing to eliminate the weeds and hibernating the insects and pest diseases by exposing them to the heat of the summer. In initial ploughing should be carried out at optimum moisture ranges to get good teeth and should avoid when moisture is in excess. Then these are the hybrid varieties of sorghums. Thank you one and all. Next slide we go to see the hybrid varieties, pest and disease management practices. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much.